Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 1st day 2024 and the time is roughly around 8 o'clock and lackluster trading for the last 4 days. Nothing happening in the market, and let's see whether we are going to get some trending move maybe tomorrow or on Monday, because Monday is a very crucial astro aspect which is happening, uh, which is going to be there for the next at least 15-20 days. So I don't know what is when it is ending, but anyway, it's going to start from 5th of August, where we are going to plan a, we already planned a live trading, but anyway, that date is very, very crucial for the market. And apart from that, yesterday, sorry, I was not able to make the video for the last 2 days, and today the Nifty futures as well as the Bank Nifty futures both are converge to the core. So whenever the convergence happens, possibility of 350 points in Nifty future, and 750 points to 1000 points in Bank Nifty future in a single day within the next 2 days. It may happen tomorrow or it may happen on Monday. If that happens on Monday, it will be very good because it is a combination of astro. So the power will be more, and the trending will be phenomenal. But let's see whether it's going to give tomorrow or on Monday. Let's go and see all that. Okay, first and foremost, as I already told that we are coming out with the algo, and today is the first testing of our algo, and it ended up with, this is purely based, only index based trading, and we closed at 6,333.75, more or less. It combined with 9 year and it combined with 12 year. So first day was our number, as well as the profit. The position will be closed exactly at 315 on a day. So this was a screenshot at 317, and we are able to clock our number 6 plus 3 plus 3 and 9 and 12. So this is God gift to us. Let's see how the algo is going to plan out from here, and we are planning to launch it tomorrow. And this is our logo of Fortune Quant app. This is a combination of price and time. So let's see. I always go with mind rather than any algo. I don't believe in algo, but still many people asked. So we worked hard and we are able to come out with the algo. And let's see how it is going to perform in the future. Okay. So now let's go to the chart. So now when it comes to Nifty in 1 hour chart, and Nifty gave a fake G cell here in 1 hour time frame, and that low is held. So there is no problem, and the candle is above the cloud and all that is okay. And as well as if you take lagging span, it is taking exact support here and here. So there is no problem at all. When it comes to Nifty in 1 hour time frame. Okay, and the cloud is also ascending. Let's see how it is going to go. And any close below this, then we need to be a little bit worried below the baseline, because the flat line is forming here. So we need to watch it. If it breaks below, maybe it will try to come and touch here, or once it comes inside the cloud, this flat line will pull it towards here. But the cloud is very big, so I think it won't give up that easily, this big cloud. But if you go to 5 minutes, and if I switch off this one, and here it gave a fake G cell. Until now that low is also held more or less, which is 24,791. After that there is no sell and it is holding, but too much of lackluster movement in the last 3-4 days. Nothing is happening on a full day, and it is not sustaining the high. Okay, but when it goes to Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty is completely dilly-dally, and in 1 hour it has given a G cell, and the candle closed below and now it gave a magical candle. It gave a magical candle, and there is no clear trend when it comes to Ichimoku cloud. There is no clear trend. Even if you close this, there is no clear trend when it comes to Ichimoku also. But anyway, more or less it is holding this big cloud. Now we need to see what's going to happen here or here. Suppose, let's say it is holding the cloud and it is able to sustain somewhere here, and if it breaks below, then the real problem will start here, or the real problem will start here, and market will try to break here only or here only. It will not try here and all. It will try here only or here only. So let's see. That date is happening on 2nd of August around 1:15 to 2:15, and when it comes here, it is happening exactly on 5th of August. 5th of August. And if you go to lagging span, and the lagging span is below the cloud and below the price. Now all these price will act as a major resistance for lagging span, and it is now the price is below the baseline, below the conversion line, on the cloud, inside the cloud, lot of dilly-dally here, and once this has to come out completely out or completely out down here, till it is this lagging span is going to be inside the candle, it is going to give lots and lots of dilly-dally based on the Ichimoku. So now let's go and see the PPT. So now when it comes to the numbers, for the month of August, monthly, above this number is bullish, below this number is bearish. Okay. Now, for example, if it closes above this number, what is the first target? The first target is the difference between these two numbers. Is the first target. Then you can, once it crosses the first target, the second target is difference between these two. Once it crosses the second target, the third target is difference between these two. You can add like that. Now, when it comes below this and close below this, now what is the target? Same. The difference between these two minus this one. So it is ulta whatever I said on the top. So now this is the bullish number and bearish number for the month of August for the major indices which we are tracking. So this two number rules the market. So keep it in your system and use it wisely for the entire month. Now let's go to weekly. So we have only tomorrow, and more or less Nifty again it went up near to this and I am not able to sustain again. So now this is the weekly number, and it is for only till up to tomorrow. This is the last Friday. So till up to tomorrow. If you are a big positional player, simply stick with this. So now how to use this buy an option seller? Till it is not going to go above or till it is not going to go below, the market will be sideways. Okay. So now if it crosses above, you can simply go and sell this put. If it is not crossing, it is trading within this, you can go and sell. 25,100 call and 24,800 put. Because this is the monthly number. So this number has to be sustained in an intraday at least for 1 hour, but the clear bullishness will come only if it closes above this number on a daily closing basis. So use this number wisely. So now let's go to the convergence. And apart from that, today, as I already told you, Nifty and Bank Nifty converge to the core and be ready for the 350 points to whatever I said now, you can use it. And Nestle, watch out for Nestle. It had a price time square, triple price time square, which is very rare, and you got a very small candle today. So use it wisely. If it closes above today's high, if it, for example, let's say this is the candle, okay, including the wick, whatever it is, okay, you take this like this, okay. So now mark this today's high, mark this today's low. If any candle closes above, wait for the retracement, take the entry. If any candle closes below, wait for the retracement, take the entry. But why this is powerful candle? Because this is triple price time square on August 1st. So kindly keep a watch on Nestle India. Okay, number 2. So now Bank Nifty number convert. Let's go and see the numbers. So now when it comes to number, how to trade this number? Very simple. So now what is convergence? These three numbers has to be within 33. The highest number and the lowest number, the difference between these three numbers should be within 33. Then it is called convergence. When it comes to Nifty future. So now Nifty future closed above all these numbers. So now till it is all these number on blue color, it means the Nifty future closed above all these number. That is why it is all in blue. For example, tomorrow, wherever the market opens, if it comes and again touches here, it closed more or less very near to that number. So now if it comes and touches this number, take an entry by keeping a stop loss of 54 points. And as I told very clearly, till the market is going to hold this 24,764, all these targets on the cards. This we already talked about in the weekly, on last Sunday. So now, if it comes and touches here, take the entry and be with the trend to capture the momentum. But if it closes below this number, go short here, again you can keep a stop loss of 54 points. So now, if it breaks below, where is the target? The first target is 24,848. The next target is 24,551. The next target is 24,554. Okay. Always remember, whenever the convergence happen, that is the day you need to trade. It may take 2 days. I am not telling it has to come only within tomorrow. Max the moment will come in next 2 days time. So this is the day which you can make your complete money, the monthly money in 2 days. Rest 18 days you can sleep. Trade only when the number converges. See why I am praying the market tomorrow it should be sideways movement, because when the convergence, when the price is combined with the time, which is 5th August. Now if you see here, I have not finished this yet, I don't have time to finish it. Anyway, tomorrow in my night webinar, I will show the complete dates for August. So now if you see here, 3 dates are combining together. Again, this is very crucial. This date is very, very crucial. But 3 days are combining together. And even tomorrow, certain Vedic astrology aspects are happening. But this is very powerful. So now when it comes to the date which you need to watch out for the entire month of August, of July is this date. So based on this date, till the market is not going to close below this number, it is bullish for the entire month of August. But the difference is huge. Nobody can trade this. But this is the benchmark date for August. Again, when it comes to Bank Nifty, there are 2 benchmark dates for Bank Nifty. Above this number is bullish, below this number is bearish. Now it is below both. So this date, high and low, will act as a resistance for Bank Nifty. But when it comes to 25th July, which is also very important, this is the high and this is the low. And market is trading above. market is trading above. So most of the time it says it is dilly-dally. Let's watch it. So now when it comes to the date, if the price is also combined with the time, the explosion is going to happen mostly on 5th of August, and it is a complete combination of 3 days. So watch out and use it wisely. So now let's go and talk about the Bank Nifty numbers. So now when it comes to Bank Nifty, there is clear dilly-dally. When it comes to Nifty future, there is no problem. But when it comes to Bank Nifty future, 2 major numbers are in bearish and 2 minor numbers are in bullish. So what it says, for example, if the market is giving a momentum on the higher side, try to play Nifty. If the momentum is on the downside, try to play Bank Nifty. That's all. So now what is convergence here? The convergence is when this 3 number in Bank Nifty future converge within 144 points, it's called convergence. So now if you take the high, the low is here and the high is here. But if you take the difference between these 2 numbers, it is hardly 23 or 24 points. So whenever this happens, when the Bank Nifty convergence happens within 33 points, then it is called convergence to the core. Convergence to the core. So now, how to trade this number again? So now, till it is holding this number, it is bullish. It is bullish. So now, let's say market, let it open wherever, but if it comes and touches this here, okay, after sustaining this number, if it comes and touches this number, take the entry by keeping a stop loss of 144 points. But the best stop loss is this. That is the best stop loss. Now, if it takes the move from here, where it will go first? The first it will go here and second it will go here after this breakout. For example, let's say the market is opening down and it is going and getting restricted here or resistance here in this convergence number, then go short here with a stop loss of 51,798, or the best stop loss is 144 points. So now, where is the first target? Below this number, which is the lowest number, the first target is this. Then below this number, you can use the Bank Nifty numbers on the lower side, or use your own system, because you will be using many systems or whatever, based on that, the pivot point, whatever you have, use it and take the trade. Okay, so now this is Bank Nifty future. Okay, so now tomorrow again TVS Motor is having a major day, and today we have Tata Power was a rocker today, and we closed SAIL, we closed M&M, we closed Dixon, most of the counters we closed, and yesterday itself, and today we have taken some huge position in Tata Power and Adani, and exactly it went and touched 3255 was the target which was given, which was the first target. It went and touched exactly that number after the result came, and then it closed below. But we are holding the position in Adani Enterprises and Adani Port So now if you go to the chart also, Adani Enterprises. So now this was the target we gave today, 3255. Yeah. Why? Because why this is the target? Why this is the target is because this is the 14th February yearly cycle high of Adani. So we said very clearly, take an entry here. The first target is 3255. Exactly, it went and touched the 3255 after the result. And above this, the target is here, and above this, it is an A1. Above this is a A1. So now, if you go and take that number, if you go and take that number, 3255. That was the exact high when the result came. And we gave this much before in the morning itself, around 1:36, that if it is above 3230, the first target is 3255 and then 3289 and 3297. Above 3297, bears will die. Okay. Now, and it came up to 3181. We clearly said, after it went and touched 3255, we clearly said, this is the support area. This is the support area. So now, because this is the resistance, after it close above, this will become the support. Even last time we gave above, because we are holding this counter for last 3 days, we said above 3133, the first target is 3181 on Tuesday. So, if you go and put that 3181 here, that is the low. That is the low of today. After it went and touched that higher number, and from there it came down. That was the exact low of Adani 3181. And we have this number on Tuesday, because we built a position in Adani in the last 3 days time. So that was the last target. So this will act as a resistance. Once it closed above, this will act as a support number. This will act as a support number. So exactly at 3 o'clock it came and touched that number and again bounced and again bounced. So watch out for Adani, and Adani Port is looking extremely good when compared to Adani Port also. So now if you go to Fortune Signals, so in 5 minutes it is in buy, there is no problem. We are holding this position after it crossed this number 3067. So now this is in 5 minutes, Adani Enterprises, and if you go to Adani Port, and Adani Port is looking extremely good than Adani Enterprises, because the buy came somewhere here at 1487, until now there is no sell, and really 100 points done. Let's watch tomorrow. Many people say that it has given a phenomenal result and all that. I don't believe in all that. I don't see all that. So let's see, because according to me, time price knows everything much before then what's going to come next. And I want to show you something, because something is happening tomorrow. Let's go and watch this. So now this is the magical 1 hour candle for tomorrow. So now in this you have ACC, Bajaj Finance, Biocon, Pidilite, Tata Chem, and CNX Metal is having the date on 3rd August. So the 3rd August is holiday. So you need to take the 5th August, first 1 hour candle high and low. Now, when it comes to FMCG, it says 10:15 to 11:15. Tomorrow it is having a 1 hour magical candle. So when it comes to FMCG, you can concentrate on Nestle. This is number 1. This is based on 1 hour magical candle. 1 hour magical candle. But tomorrow, if you see, after very long time, we are getting this kind of a combination tomorrow. Too many stocks are coming into combination, and if you ask me, the best one to trade is DLF based on the first 15 minutes high and low, and these are all the counters. And again, I am telling, nobody can trade all these counter as a human. It is impossible. So what you can do, whichever stock which you are already tracking, or whichever stock which you are already which are your favorite stocks, you can trade only those stocks. For example, tomorrow TVS Motor is having a mega day tomorrow. So now when it comes to TVS Motor is here, and 2 days before, it had a major date and it closed above, and it is near at the above all time high. So now tomorrow it is having a major date with the combination of again another few combinations which is coming in seasonality. So now what you can do, simply go to M&M chart, TVS Motor chart. Now daily. Already here it had a major date, and it closed above and it is at all time high. So now if opens tomorrow here, wherever, mark the first 15 minutes high and low and take the trade, long or short. If you are a positional player, don't trade tomorrow. Simply mark that candle high and low for one day and wait for it to break or break down and take the trade. Okay, right, that's all. Nothing more to add in this video. Again saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Okay, let's see. I've already given you 5 minutes Bank Nifty timing candle, so kindly use it wisely. If there is any update, I will post it tomorrow. Until then, goodbye.